Patriot Accounting Review. Looking for affordable accounting software with payroll? Today we review Patriot Accounting, its features, pros, cons, pricing, and verdict. Patriot Accounting is a US-based cloud platform designed for small businesses. It offers double entry accounting, invoicing, expense tracking, and seamless payroll integration. Features include bank reconciliation, cash versus accrual accounting, tax reporting with 1099 filing, and role-based user permissions. It's simple but covers the essentials. Among its pros, affordable pricing, easy setup, integrated payroll, and AI-powered reconciliation and strong US tax compliance tools. Among its cons, no dedicated mobile app, limited third-party integrations, lacks advanced inventory, and it's primarily US focused. Patriot Accounting starts at $20 per month for basic and $30 per month for premium. Payroll can be added from $10 per month plus $4 per employee, and a 30-day free trial is available. Patriot Accounting is safe, simple, and budget-friendly, ideal for US-based small businesses needing payroll. But if you need advanced inventory or global tax compliance, Xero or QuickBooks may be better long-term.